Hello everyone, my name is Kanishk Mehta and today I am going to demonstrate our project Hydroponic Farming Chamber System. So in this project basically we are doing farming without soil. It is water based farming and all the nutrients are supplied from the water. So let's begin to demonstrate my project. So this is our project. Here in this project these are some plants which we have grown at home and we have used some sensors like this. This is pH sensor which calculates the pH of the water. This one is water level sensor which calculates the level of water inside the tube. And here this you can see, this is DHT22 sensor. So all these sensors are doing distinguished functions. Like this right here, DHT sensor is calculating the temperature, and here water level sensor is calculating the amount of water or level of the water in the pipe, and this pH sensor is calculating the pH value of the water. So this is a pH module. It helps calculating some voltage, and according to the analog value it calculates the voltage, and at a particular voltage it calculates the pH value. So our pH value should remain between 6.5 and 8. Here these are some fans, two fans, an LED, this is a pipe, these are some wirings, and this is our chamber. This is a water container which I have not filled with water yet. This is our inlet, and here this is the outlet. Here a pipe comes from which outlet goes. So this is the project, and now I will demonstrate how does it works. So first you can see there is a relay, there is a Raspberry Pi 4, there is Arduino Nano, and bit of connections. So in this project when I had battery, so our all motors were working, but currently I am not having battery. So I will demonstrate by this relay that the motors are turned or motors are off. So whenever the motors are turned or off, it will create a clicking sound. So I think you can listen the sound. Now the LED will when the LED will turn on, it will make a sound of click. Yes, here you can listen a sound of clicking. So this one is for the inlet pump, this one is for the outlet pump, this one is for the fans, this one is for the pH up solution pump, this one is for the pH down solution pump. So whenever what we have made is like our all the water supply will be continuous. Like it will continue to give the water to the inlet and continue to get the water out of the outlet. So if the water is below certain value, it will turn off the outlet pump, then it will keep on the inlet pump so that water can fill a bit. And if the water is upper the certain level, then it will turn off the inlet pump and turn on the outlet pump so that extra water can get out, unless both motors will turn on and create a continuous supply system. So now our pH sensor, so this will detect the pH of the water. Now if the pH is less than 6.5 or 6, then it will turn the pH up pump, which will give the solution of pH up solution, which will rise the pH of the water. And similarly, when the pH is too high, then it will regulate the pH down solution, which will lower the pH of the water. which is very essential for our plants. Here you can see that the values are calculated through the Arduino. So here Arduino is calculating the values, and in here you can see that the values are updating, and the values are going from Arduino to the Raspberry Pi, and all the actuators are performing through Raspberry Pi. You can see the code here. You can see some if-else statements. So you can also see that it is indicating whether motors are turned on or whether the motors are turned off. One more thing, because of less power, I was not able to glow the LED and the fans light, but due to some advantage I can make the fans move. So like here, now I will give some heat to this sensor, and you can see that the fans will move, and I will first show that there's changes in this relay module. So you can see that the relay number 3 is on, which is for the fans, and you can see that the fans are turned on. Isn't that a magic? So this is automatic system. This is all automated. So whenever the humidity or the temperature is too high, then it will turn on the fans. And to regulate the temperature isolation inside, I have this one, so that it can cover and trap the heat and the cold. I am not installing it currently because I need to show inside by touching the things. And here, this is the pipe. This contains the water. These are some chana seeds, you can see. And now I will show the changes of pH level. So it sends the electrons or voltage and gives the analog values based on the voltages. So it gives some analog values due to which it turns on and off. Like now I will cover it. Now I will remove out of the, yes, now you can see the inlet pump is on. Here you can see that water level is 40, so the inlet pump is on. So now I will dip this in the water. You will see that the relay will turn off or on based on the values. So I will show you values first. These are 30. Okay, now I am dipping it inside the water. Yeah, you can see that the relay number 2 on and 1 is off, which means inlet is off and outlet is on. And you can see the value here. So these are some values, and this was all about my project. And sorry for the inconvenience, because I was not having the batteries, so I was not able to turn on the LEDs and light off the fans and the motors. But I've explained everything by using this relay module that every actuator work. So you can listen the sound of clicking and understand that the motors are working or not. So this was all about my project, hydroponic farming chamber system, and thank you. So this was our hydroponic farming chamber system. So thank you for seeing this video, and I want to know you that this type of farming is currently in growing stage. So this farming is you can see this type of farming in various areas of the different parts of world, and this is very advantageous. So there are some reasons, like there are some regions that do not have much of the nutrients in their soil. So this type of farming, hydroponic farming, can be implemented there, so that there is no need of soil and every nutrient is provided through the water. So this was our project. Thank you.